Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, the US dollar yen didn't do a whole lot today. It pushed up a little bit after taking out this low, but it never did make a new low, so that means that my most significant structure is still right here. If it breaks this high right here, I would definitely become bullish, probably telling me that this is not the end of a correction on the higher time frames. Otherwise, I'm still looking at this as possibly the end of a correction. If it is the end of a correction, it could go up a little more, but more than likely it would make a lower high compared to this swing. Lower high, and eventually go down and take out this low down here. So definitely still looking for shorts unless we get a very significant break of structure to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.